This is the CRKT Piet. Got it for $39.99 at Cabela's. And it's 8CR13 MOV steel. So it's interesting, it's GRN handle, but I can already tell that the handle looks better than the SOG GRN flare handle GRN. Yeah, I think it is the same GRN, but it just feels more solid than the SOG flare. So this is a beautiful knife. Look at those blue backspacer there with the lanyard hole. Deep carry, tip up. A little sharp there. Not flickable yet. Teflon washers. Oops. I guess you could see the Teflon washers there. Centered. Nice deep carry clip. I don't know if this will be a hot spot. When I do my EDC testing, I'll find out, because I can feel it. It doesn't hurt though, it's not pointy. It's a very small knife too. I mean, it's not horribly small. Definitely will put a lanyard on it, because when I cut like this, my pinky has no place to go. I mean, technically it's 4 fingers, but I don't cut like that. I cut like this. I like that blade shape. Spear point. It is a high flat grind. So, good lockup on the frame lock. Whatever, doesn't want to focus. I would not use that as a finger choil. Yeah, so it's a sharpening choil, a big sharpening choil. And then I guess you can put the clip on the other side. It would be nice if there were screws in those holes like Cold Steel does. But it's a $40 knife. So there you go, the CRKT Piet. There we go. A better angle for the lockup on that liner.